Hi everybody. So we're gonna make another Make It Raw recipe here, and it is a fantastic, amazing Reese's peanut butter cup smoothie, or even a cake batter type smoothie. You can have it either way you want, a shaky shake form. It can be in an ice cream form, or it can be a smoothie bowl form, or just a general smoothie. There's so many ways you can make this, and it literally tastes just like Reese's peanut butter cups. It's amazing. And that's one thing I think about, is how when you go raw vegan, and specifically low fat raw vegan, a lot of people think that, oh, you can't have your chocolate milkshakes or your chocolate milk or vanilla milk or ice cream, donuts, cinnamon rolls, ice cream cake, and all the desserts and those intense, really good flavors that we once used to enjoy. Well, you know what? You need to think again, because you can make a plant-based version of that, and it tastes so similar, and it's so good, even better, and it's actually healthy for you. And it's like, why wouldn't you want to go low fat raw vegan, right? Well, anyways, guys, so this smoothie I found, it's kind of, I tweaked it a little bit from a recipe I was following, and it's from, it was through Kate Fruit Flowers, but it's on May Flowers channel, YouTube channel, and she did a Reese's peanut butter cup smoothie. So I'm not sure if you guys have ever tried it before, but I've always wanted to try it, and I finally did. And I didn't do the exact recipe like she did, or like they did, and I tweaked it a little bit, and oh my gosh, it was amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share with you guys their recipe. So, and then of course I'll take you guys along while I make my recipe, and I highly recommend that you guys make it and try it. It is freaking phenomenal, out of this world. It's amazing that it's even raw. That's what, just like, whoa. Okay, so May Flowers and Kate Fruit Flowers recipe for this Reese's peanut butter cup smoothie is 2 large bananas, 2 frozen bananas, 3 dates, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of cacao, half a teaspoon of vanilla bean powder or vanilla extract. Now I'm going to do mine a little bit differently, and instead of almond butter, I'm using actual peanuts. And then cacao, I don't have cacao, I use carob powder, and instead of vanilla extract, I use vanilla powder, vanilla bean powder. And I'm not going to put as many ingredients as they call for, but let's get on with this smoothie. It is out of this world delicious. Hey you guys, so the first ingredient that I'm going to put in there are frozen bananas. I'm going to use just about 2 to 3 frozen bananas, and I find that there is a difference between using just the regular bananas at room temperature versus frozen bananas. I like to use frozen bananas because it gives more of a creamier texture, or a creamier flavor, consistency. It's just, that's what I find, is like, I don't like using the actual room temperature bananas. When I buy bananas, I like to let them ripen fully, but then pre-chop them up and put them in containers and freeze them that way. And then that way, when I go to use my bananas, they come apart a lot easier than actually letting them or freezing them whole like a lot of other people do. And then you gotta wait a long time for them to thaw out, when I know I can just pre-chop them and just break it apart real easy, you really don't have to let it thaw or anything. But I'm gonna use 2 to 3 frozen bananas. And next I'm going to put in 2 to 3 large medjool dates. I'm going to start with 2 medjool dates because these are huge, so it depends on your size. So I always like to start with less than I think I need, or than a recipe calls for, just so I can adjust it properly, you know, because it's always, like I say in a lot of my recipe videos, you always want to put less than you really think you need, because then you just find yourself screwed beyond belief if you put too much in. And then I'm going to put in 32 grams, or a small handful of peanuts, but They are the peanuts I bought in the bulk aisle section, and there's no salt added to them. They're just regular peanuts, dry peanuts, and but I measured 32 grams because that's roughly a serving of peanuts. And next, guys, I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. Now, you most certainly don't have to use hemp seeds. You can just stick with the peanuts. And I have tried this without hemp seeds and then with hemp seeds, and it actually makes a difference. So that's why I actually prefer adding the 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds also, because seriously, it makes a difference. Then I'm putting in 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla bean powder, and this is my vanilla bean powder. And then I'm going to use just about 1/2 of a cup to 1 cup of coconut water. Now, I don't have a fresh, young, sweet Thai, young coconut like all you other raw foodies get out there. So the healthiest version of fresh coconut water I can get in my area here in Alaska, Fairbanks, Alaska, is Zico coconut water. There's no, all it says ingredients in there is just pure coconut water. It's not from concentrate at all, and it's really good coconut water. So I'm going to start with 1/2 of a cup and just start from there, and you decide how loose or how thick you want it. And of course, the more liquid that you add, the more smoothie and liquidy it will be. But you can make it more of like a peanut butter cake batter by using just a small amount of coconut water, or you don't have to put coconut water in at all and make like a peanut butter nice cream. Oh my gosh, there's so much you can do. And you can also add maybe even just a little bit just to get it going, and kind of make like a peanut butter frosting. So you can even like dehydrate your own bananas, or dry out your own bananas, or something like that, and do like banana peanut butter sandwiches or something like that, or peanut butter cinnamon rolls or something like that. There's so many ideas you can do, and then for all you people out there who have dehydrators, I have not seen anybody make this yet, but I am sure there is a way that you can make a sugar ice cream cone. I'm sure there's a way, because some of you make these crackers and chips and everything from chia seeds and leftover pulp and stuff. I'm sure you can make a sweet batter, a date batter or something with chia seeds, and you can make a cone, a sugar cone, and make your own sugar cones. And then you can have like a peanut butter ice cream like this. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Go raw vegan, people. Go raw vegan this instance, if you ask Miss Staci. You need to do it now, guys. And then, you guys, I'm going to use just about 1 tablespoon of carob powder. This is the carob powder that I have. I buy it off of Amazon.com, and I really prefer to use carob powder because there's something about cacao. I think there's like cacao has like it's natural caffeine in it, but cacao also has fat in it too. But I just think you could do whatever you want, guys. I just have always gravitated to carob powder. Either one works. But I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of carob powder in there. Oh my goodness. Here we go. There we go, guys. I actually added 1 more date to it. So I used 3 medjool dates, and holy moly. That is just like Reese's peanut butter cups. Whoa. Wow, that's undescribable. That is so good. Alrighty, guys, here we go. This is the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Smoothie, Shaky Shake, or ice cream, however, which way you want to have it, but I like it thick and creamy, and this is like the perfect consistency for me. So It smells like chocolate peanut butter. Oh my gosh, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, guys? Gotta do a tasty taste test, of course. Here we go. Look how smooth and creamy. You cannot tell me that we were not meant for raw fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and leafy greens. This is absolutely amazing, and it's raw. Just raw fruits and nuts and seeds. Oh, that is so insane. It's so smooth. It's creamy. It's not overpowering. The sweetness is perfect. The creaminess is perfect. The perfect balance of peanut butter flavor. No added chemicals or other ingredients in, like, you know, regular peanut butter. It was just regular, no salt added, just regular peanuts and regular hemp seeds, just regular dates and regular bananas and coconut water and vanilla bean powder. How simple and easy, and absolutely decadent. This is absolutely phenomenal at how close it resembles Reese's peanut butter cups. Dang it. That is fantastically amazing. Okay guys, so remember to love being raw, put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys, and I will see you guys next video, okay? Bye guys. That is crazy good. I don't know about you guys, but this sure jives with Miss Staci.